Folks, I'm going to hand you over to Si. I've known Si for double-digit years now. He is the master of automation on and all things AI. So over to you, Simon.
Right, hello guys. Can you all see my screen? Is that a thumbs up? Perfect. Okay. So let's talk about revolutionizing your business with the power of AI and automation. Okay. Let me just do this one. Come back to this screen. Next one. So let's talk about what we're going to look by the end of this session. You'll understand how these technologies can transform your operations, save time, and increase profitability for your business. Okay. I'm going to give you a very basic overview. And then the next time I come on, it's going to be a bit more complex and step it up so you can see some cool things. Okay. So let me just move this little bar out of the way because that's been a pain. And this little bar too. There we go. Right. So the case for AI and automation. Businesses face increasing pressure to do more with less, okay? With regards staff, with regards all different costs, income, everything like that. So AI adoption is now in businesses, is growing, and it has grown already by 270% in the last 4 years, okay? Okay, now as a bracket, that's just because it's come from Gartner, okay? Why does this matter? Well, companies leveraging AI and automation are outperforming competitors by optimizing costs, keeping the money down, and obviously not having to use as many staff, and also improving the customer experience. Because if you think about it, when you've got a customer that's, like a customer bot that's answering all the questions for you, you don't need to be there 24/7, and they get their answers pretty much straight away. Okay. So the benefits of AI and automation. Well, the biggest thing in business is efficiency, isn't it? So we get an efficiency gain. Automate repetitive tasks to free up employee time for high value activities. For example, if you automate invoicing, email marketing, or customer service responses, then people can get on with what they want to do and enjoy doing. Okay. Get rid of the admin tasks. Because I always have one thing, three things you can do with something. You can delegate it, you can automate it, or you can eliminate it. And my favorite is obviously the automating one. Cost savings. As a financial advisor, like Paul, a significant portion of your time is spent on repetitive and administrative tasks, such as data entry, tracking expenses, and generating reports. This limits the time available for personalized client services. So you're ending up doing admin all the time. So if you could automate data entry, use AI-powered tools to automatically import, categorize financial data from bank statements, invoices, and receipts, how much time is that going to save you? Smart reporting. If you use AI, you can generate financial reports and projections in minutes based on client portfolios or transaction histories. Just give it the information and it will find and decipher it for you and give you it back so you can understand it. Client communication. I love chatbots, and you'll realize this as you get to know me. Chatbots and AI chatbots can handle basic inquiries like account balances, tax deadlines, loan options, freeing you to focus on more complex issues in your business. The biggest thing is it can free you to do money generating activities rather than doing admin activities. Okay. Number three, enhanced decision making. A lot of us are not the best at making decisions, but an AI tool will analyze data to provide actionable insights in real time. Okay. It'll personalize marketing based on customer behavior analytics. So whatever your customers have been doing, what your ideal avatar customer looks like, you can now personalize your marketing based on those statistics. Okay. Better customer experience, use of chatbots or AI-driven support for 24/7 service. It means that they can answer while you're asleep. It means that the support service that you're giving to your customers is top-notch. They're not having to wait 2 days, 3 days for a response. They're using chat automation program to your business to enhance your customer service for quick, accurate responses. We built one for a company a while ago, and literally instantly it gives them all the information about the trading. It gave them the information about the book that was made, and they could even search YouTube videos on those topics that instantly popped up. So just to give you an idea of what is possible, okay? But this is the question, why now? And the reason is because technology is accessible. Cloud-based AI tools are affordable for small businesses. 5, 10 years ago, these were big, massive, huge mainframes that would have cost hundreds of thousands to be able to get involved with AI. You are seeing now every single day new tools being released that are making life easier for everybody. Okay. Another reason why now, you need to stay competitive. Because as you've noticed when you're looking at the different reels and things like that that you see on social media or videos that you see, early adopters gain a competitive advantage. How many times have you seen one video that's blown your mind, and then in the next couple of weeks you see so many different copies of that? Let's just say, for example, did we all see the doll in the packet on all the social media posts because someone worked out how to do it on AI? Now everybody started doing that. So what did they do? They stepped it forward even more. Let's make that doll come out of the package in a video. What's the next thing? The baby thing that's happening now, where everything, all the videos are turned into babies. This is why we don't want to get left behind. This may not be giving you a massive advantage in your business, but all these little aspects of tools are available for you to keep ahead. And the big thing is, you don't need much training to be able to use them. And obviously, the big one, why now? Economic impact. Businesses that fail to innovate risk falling behind in a rapidly digitizing economy. Let's look back to Blockbuster. Blockbuster Video. Everyone used to go to Blockbuster Video and get a video on a weekend and go get some sweets, whatever, and get the video. Blockbuster were given an opportunity to partner with Netflix to basically, that is going to be the future. They turned it down. Guess what happened to Blockbuster? Do you want to go visit your local Blockbuster? Because you can. It's gone. Okay? That sounded quite harsh. Apologies. Overcoming common objectives. Apologies for the spelling mistake there. It's too expensive. You can start small. Many AI tools are pay as you go or subscription based. They're not going to break the bank. Okay? Another objection is too complex. User-friendly platforms require minimal technical experience. You literally can learn them in seconds and minutes, okay? This is the nice basic stuff that we're doing. It will replace jobs. AI enhances human capabilities by taking over repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing teams to focus on creative and strategic work. So you can get high level looking at your business, not having to do those boring day-to-day tasks, setting up email sequences that would take you 3, 4 hours can now be done in minutes. The ability to be able to create your videos and take a big long video and chop it into little videos can be done in minutes. The opportunities that are available now, if you do, let's just put it this way, AI won't take your jobs, but the people that adopt to AI will. And you'll be left behind. A lot of people are scared of it, thinking, oh, well, what happens? You'll be more scared of it if it takes your job and you end up feeling, left in the cold. So how to start? The best way to look at AI is to identify pain points. Look for areas where time or resources are wasted for you. Start small. Choose one process to automate, such as appointment scheduling. How much easier is it now when you can click a link, book an appointment, and then get emails? I'm not sure, guys, but I'm guessing that when you booked onto this call, you'd have got a text message pretty much straight away saying, hey, thank you for booking onto the call. Look forward to seeing you. Okay. Partner with experts, consult AI specialists, or start with intuitive platforms. If it's too much for you with what you need to do, speak to an AI specialist or just start with a nice, easy platform that you can start using. And track results and expand adoption gradually is how you can measure and scale this. Okay. AI and automation no longer luxuries, they're necessities for staying competitive. Embrace these tools to work smarter, not harder. Question and answer. What specific challenges do you face in your business? Let's discuss how AI can solve them. Book a one-to-one with me, Simon Hearn, and that's my WhatsApp number. I can send you this presentation for anyone that wants it, and that's my number there, and I'll pop it into the chat for you. Hopefully, guys, this has been beneficial for you. I'm I can't even talk my own name. I'm Simon Hearn, the AI and automation guy. I thought I'd done quite well, not tongue twisted, but then at the end I did. But never mind.
Well done, Simon. Absolutely fantastic. Loved that. Absolutely loved that. Who's got the first question for Simon? Oh, Kevin, straight up there.
Yeah, do you think you can get AI to knock you 4 goals in against Tottenham tonight, mate?
I'm nervous, mate. I'm nervous, but anyway, big time.
Right,
Which I
stop
could.
talking about that low level stuff. Who's got
Yeah.
a proper question?
Question, and that's okay. I think, my question is, if someone was just starting out and building their business, what would be your top 3 things that you would automate from the get-go?
I would say automate your emails because too many people spend too much time with it. But when you're automating your emails, all you need to do is think of your favorite email marketer and ask them to create the emails in the style of that person. Okay. And then specify exactly what you want it to do, whether you want it to be getting people to book a call or anything like that. That's the email. The second thing I definitely do is try and automate your social media. So simple little chatbot that if someone comments a certain word triggers, and then you can send them your link. And the third thing, what would I do? You got me there. And the third thing would probably be
Automate your sales funnel, Simon.
automate your sales funnel. There you go. You caught me on the hop there, Jen. But hey, there you go.
I say that. I'll tell you why I said that deliberately, folks. We just did a new pipeline for a new customer, and this was amazing. What Simon and Anna actually did was, imagine you put the name of a suspect, a potential customer, into a pipeline, yeah? And then 2 minutes later, without you doing anything, you see this little card go whoop into another pipeline, and then it sent that person an email. And then after it sent the email, it went whoop into another column and then sent them a text message to say, just to let you know, we've just sent you an email. And then when they, in the email, it said, click an appointment with me. And as soon as it said, click an appointment with me, it went whoop into the next column to send an email back to say, thank you very much for making an appointment with me. This is genius stuff.